Hey there, amazing content creators and aspiring influencers. Welcome back to Creators Anchor, where we bring you the hottest tips and tricks to supercharge your content game. I am Varun, and today we are diving into a topic that's been on everyone's mind: how to create multiple motivational reels in less time. Just like those inspiring Instagram pages and YouTube channels that have been blowing up lately. We all know those jaw-dropping motivational reels that seem to effortlessly pop up on our feeds, right? Well, guess what? The secret sauce behind creating those attention-grabbing, heart-pounding reels isn't as elusive as it seems. I'm about to spill the beans and break down the process step by step so you can start pumping out top-notch content without spending endless hours in the editing room. So let's dive into the video. So first we are going to use ChatGPT for quotes, and you can write prompt like this: 10 quotes of Lautazo. I'm going to use these quotes in our video. Here are the quotes. You can use Google too. Now all the 10 quotes are here. Now open second website called Flicky. Search Flicky on your search bar and click the first link. This is flicky.ai, and you can use, I'm going to use the free plan, and you don't have to enter any credit card information to use free plan, so that's very convenient. Just sign up and open flicky.com. I have already signed up, so go to the files and click on new button and select language of your video and file name. Write file name here. Select video because I am going to create video. This is common scene where you can add background audio or watermark. Anything you enter here, add here, will remain from start to end of the video. Now here's the scene 1, and if you click on the audio, here are multiple audios you can select from. You can listen and select the audio.
Flicky helps you create audio and video content
Flicky helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
I'm going to select this one and apply this voice to all the scenes. Click submit, and this voice will apply to the all scenes. Now I am going to copy the quotes one by one to all of the scene. Let's first add title here, scene 1. Click on add button to add the scene, second scene, and copy the first quote and paste it here, and keep doing that. You can see video size is not optimized for Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, so go to the settings and select the aspect ratio to portrait and click on save. Now this looks good and it's optimized for portrait videos. Now add images or video. You can add images or video by clicking on here. There are multiple royalty-free videos here, and some are paid and some are unpaid. You can also upload your own video. You can download the royalty-free videos from pixels.com or unsplash.com. There are many free websites where you can download the videos and photos. I have seen many motivational pages or accounts. They use dark videos, so I'm going to use some dark videos like this. I'm going to add videos for all the 5 scenes.
Tazu 5 Best Quotes. 1. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step.
This looks good, but I need to change the position of the text. I want the text in the middle. Click on text, scene 1, and change the position of the text to the middle. Click here. Now the text will be shown in the middle, as you can see here. You can choose any font you want, and you can choose the size, and you can choose how the text will display, by word or by phrases. I want text to be displayed by words. Now you can change the text color to, I want the background color to be transparent, so slide this one here, and now the text background will be transparent. And you can add the shadow to your text also, like this. You can choose any color. Apply to all scenes. Now play this.
1. The journey of a
Now let's add some background music. Without background music, the video will be boring. So you can add your own audio file, or you can use a stock library. If you are going to upload your video to YouTube Shorts, you can just use YouTube music library. There are tons of music that you can use in your video, and they are royalty free. Go to the audio library, and here you will see many audio to download, many music audio to download, and you can use this without any tension. And if you are going to upload your video on Instagram Reels, then you can also use Instagram Reels library, like this. Now I'm going to use stock library.
Lao Tazu 5 Best Quotes. 1. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Simplicity, patience, and compassion are your greatest treasures. The wise man is one who knows what he does not know. When I let go of what I am, I become what I might be. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished.